United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 77, Rights of the Coastal State over the Continental Shelf, 1. The coastal state exercises, over the continental shelf, sovereign rights for the purpose of exploring it and exploiting its natural resources. 2. The rights referred to in paragraph 1 are exclusive in the sense that if the coastal state does not explore the continental shelf or exploit its natural resources, no one may undertake these activities without the express consent of the coastal state. 3. The rights of the coastal state over the continental shelf do not depend on occupation, effective or notional, or on any express proclamation. 4. The natural resources referred to in this part consist of the mineral and other non-living resources of the seabed and subsoil together with living organisms belonging to sedentary species, that is to say, organisms which, at the harvestable stage, either are immobile on or under the seabed, or are unable to move except in constant physical contact with the seabed or the subsoil.